Find an comfortable place to sit down and relax and close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and release. Once again, take a deep, slow breath in and exhale. Release out all which no longer serves you. Fatigue. You may even sigh out. Now bring your awareness to the base of your spine and soles of your feet. Your connection center from here straight into the earth. Visualize deep roots growing out of your feet and the base of your spine, going deep into the ground. See them push through the floor, deep through many, many layers of the earth, past the rocks, deeper and deeper, until it reaches our core of the earth, the beautiful molten place, alive, vibrant center of the earth. Gently tug into the roots, lock them, and now you are connected to the core or center of the earth. Now send everything heavy down to the roots. Drop the weight, surrender to the Mother Earth. Any tensions in your chest, anxiety in your stomach, any thoughts running in loops, energetic debris, wounded emotions, lot of pressure, anything which doesn't belongs to you, surrender it all to the Mother Earth. Let her to take care of it. You don't need to take it with you anymore. She's here. She's present. She's here to love and support you. The earth knows what to do, knows how to balance your energy, how to recycle everything you give it, all the darkness, all the heaviness. It will transmute it all into love and light. Keep emptying. Let your body get lighter. Let your mind get clearer. And your aura get more spacious. Mama Earth is a stabilizer of our first healer, our biggest support system. Most days are in our lives, we feel disconnected from Earth, staying in our mind most of the dark spaces. But she's the one who regulates our nervous system. When we plugged in our body into the ground, her energy provides us support, steadiness, patience. She takes in all that is no longer serves us and transmutes it all into unconditional love and light. Beautiful, big, vast Mama Earth hold you in her space and emits unconditional love. From the earth core now, see a beautiful, warm golden pink light, life force energy rising up towards, slow, steady, and powerful. This is regenerated energy of Mama Earth, climbing, grounding, and stabilizing. Let this energy travel up through your roots, into your feet, up in your legs, your hips, into your spine, your chest, your throat, your head. Let it fill each and every cell of your body, strengthening it, stabilizing it, bringing in deep clarity. Let this energy recharge from inside out. Let it reset your nervous system. Let it remind your mind that you are supported. Let your aura stabilize. Breathe deeply, anchoring the energy of Mother Earth. Mother Earth is holding you exactly the way you are. He is here to take anything that is weighing you down, here to transmute your old belief. She loves you. Mama Earth loves you. Surrender to her presence. Surrender to her love. Surrender to her support. Receive from her. Receive her loving, compassionate, motherly support. Whatever you are feeling unsupported, surrender to her, invite her support, and ask, I am ready to be supported by you. You guide me, you take care of me, you love me, you show me the path which is most aligned for my soul. And here with you, I am willing to be loved and bringing all the love and support from all directions. I am ready to receive, Mama Earth. I am ready to receive. And when you are ready, slowly breathe.